Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, country style steak. That's what I'm doing in my kitchen tonight. I've got my electric skillet out and I've got it on 350. I'm gonna put, I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna put some vegetable oil in, and I'm gonna get my steak ready to fry. Country style steak is probably one of my husband's favorites. I'm gonna put out some all-purpose flour onto this plate. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. You can put whatever spice you like, but we're just gonna do salt and pepper here. And I'm gonna fry this till it is golden brown. Here's some salt. And here's some pepper. And then I'm gonna make gravy as well on a part 2 of the video. Give me just a second. I'm just gonna give that a little stir. Okay. Now, I want this to be good and hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my cube steak and I'm gonna bread it on both sides. And as I bread it, I'm gonna put it into the electric fryer. You can do this on your stovetop if you choose. Now my husband is one of those that he likes the gravy, but he likes it poured over the top of the meat instead of putting the meat back in the gravy after frying it. He likes it just poured over top. Now I would rather have it put back in the gravy so that it's real tender and all coated up with gravy. But you know, I just chalk that up to he's a little bit country and I'm a little bit rock and roll. Anyway. Be careful with the grease. It's going to, I'm going to cut this down just a tad bit to about 325. Get both hands in here. Now, I'm going to let that fry. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to save this because I'm going to make gravy. Okay, you're going to fry this on both sides. You only want to turn one time because then the flour mixture will stay on the actual piece of cube steak. So you're going to turn it over one time when it's really brown. And the brownness is to your liking. Of course, you want the meat to be done through. But I'll come back on a part 2 and show you how I do the gravy cube steak. That's what we're doing tonight with mashed potatoes and gravy and green beans. Thanks for visiting my kitchen. I'll show you pictures as I can, and I will show you how to make the gravy. See ya.